Hello everyone, I'm sure you are ready to turbocharge your career in cloud computing and you have probably wondered which AWS certification should I choose. Today, I am breaking it all down to help you and make the smartest decision about which AWS certification will skyrocket your career. So let's dive in. AWS certifications are a key to unlocking the opportunities in the today's market, but there is one thing about choosing the right one, and it actually depends on your area of interest and which way you want to go in your career. So there are multiple hierarchies in the certification: foundations, associate, professional, and the specialty. So let's dive a little bit more into each and every category. I would say if you are new to the cloud, you are very at the beginner stage in AWS, I would recommend you to start with the practitioner certification, or they are called as a foundational certifications. So there are two certifications here, cloud practitioner and the AI practitioner. AI practitioner focuses on the AI services in AWS. Cloud practitioner is more of a certification which helps you to understand the AWS ecosystem without diving too much into the technical details. Now, let's say if you've figured it out and you know a little bit more about AWS and the IT infrastructure, I would recommend you to go to the next level, which is your associate level. Here, we would ask ourselves, where do you want to go? What are the area which kind of, I want to focus upon. So let's say if I'm more into solutionizing or figuring it out how the things works and you want to manage the cloud infrastructure, AWS Solution Architect Associate level is the best certification for you, and it's one of the most popular certification out there. If you are more into building applications or coding, and if development is your thing, go for the AWS Certified Developer Associate. It's all about creating stuff into the cloud. So, and if you're more into operations, which is like I want to keep the systems running smoothly behind the scene, then operations is your thing. So you should go about and think about AWS certified CSOP administrator associate level certification. All of this associate level certifications recommend to have a prior cloud experience or a little bit of IT on-premises experience, at least I would say. If you have nailed it down on the basics and associate level, now is the step to go a big or go niche, I would say. You can think about a different specialty or the professional certifications. Let's say if you're someone who is more into designing an enterprise level architectures or designing an enterprise level solutions, I would recommend the professional solution architect for you. If you're more into automations and efficiency and optimizing an organization level automations, DevOps professional certification is your go-to point. If you are more into a specialty domains like networking, machine learning, data engineering, I would recommend this specialty certifications to you. And all these specialties and niche services required, it's at least 2 to 3 years of prior AWS experience to opt for this certification, I would say. If you're still a little bit confused and you say that and still not sure which one I should go ahead with, remember, there is no one size which fits all, but we have to start at least somewhere. So AWS Cloud Practitioner Foundational Certification would be the right bet for you. It is the best certification. Someone who want to start with AWS, someone who wants to start with the cloud, it's like testing the waters before you dive in. From here, then you can figure out which services excites you, what are the area you want to focus on, and this could be the great starting point for people who are trying to change from non-technical to technical background, of someone who want to try a little bit of cloud, how does it work, and understand how does AWS works, and then take it from there. And the good part is this certification doesn't require any prior experience of IT or cloud computing. People from non-technical background or a sales background or a pre-sales background can also look for this certification. A good part is this is also a little bit pocket friendly compared to all other certifications. So I would definitely recommend you to think about AWS Cloud Practitioner Foundational Certification. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching it.